Hey everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. And we got something in the mail. We got a box and it was a prize. So remember a few days ago, I won a drawing from Glenda at Creative Grandma and it got here yesterday. So I opened the box, and there was a whole bag of stuff inside. And we've got a little paper that says prize winner, congratulations Robin on being the winner of the premier everyday dots, yarn and hooks. Enjoy your new yarn and hooks. Sincerely, Glenda, Creative Grandma. That was nice. So this yarn, I remember when she was showing it, I'd never seen it before and I thought it was really pretty, really interesting yarn. And it looks like there's two different colors in here. So we've got, it's Premier Anti-Pilling, and we like the anti-pilling. This stuff is really nice. It washes up wonderfully. 273 yards, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, and it's a light 3. That's a nice size 3, I would say. Let's see if I can get one here. Yeah, that's a good solid 3. And it says for a crochet hook, we're going to use a G. So... and machine wash warm, tumble dry. Oh yeah, feels nice on your skin, so no problem there. Smells like yarn. Smells like yarn. So this color is called Primary. And again, it's beige and it's got blue. I suppose that's supposed to be red. Red, yellow, blue. Remember the old Wonder Bread with the red, yellow, and blue dots on it? That's what it reminds me of. And then this color is called Wildflower. Oh, that is pretty. It's got purples and pinks and really, really light blue. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Having problems with my light today. But isn't that beautiful, beautiful yarn? Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. 275 yards 3 times. So if anybody's got any ideas what I can make, because they're different colors, and I think they're just different enough. I don't know. Can you mix that? I don't feel like I can mix that. Let me know what you guys think. You know I'm terrible with colors. So give me some ideas. What can I make out of 3 skeins of these, or can I mix and now I have 6 skeins in order to make something with? Because you know me. And a whole set of the Susan Bates hooks. You know that she loves these Susan Bates hooks. And it is everything from a 3.75, which is an F. So it's got F, G, H, I, J, and K, which those are, I think, the most commonly used sizes. I'm always looking for a J and a K hook, always and forever. So this is wonderful to have on hand. And the Susan Bates, I do like that it's got the real sharp head on it. I don't know if you can see on this. How does this open? I don't want to break anything. Oh yeah. But you can see that's got a really sharp tooth on there. So for me, and a sharp head, I like that. I like to be able to get right down inside and get a hold of my yarns. So this is a great hook. I really do like that style hook. So anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what we got and say a real quick thank you to Glenda, and I will of course link her channel down below and you can go in and take a look. I'm sure all of you guys already watch her, but if not, you can go down and take a look at her stuff. Thank you so very much. We'll see you later. Bye bye.